आप सबको मेरा नमस्कार। मंच पे विराजे और भाइयों बहनों सब लोगों को। ज़्यादा सब्जेक्ट जो भी है वो हमारे जो चीफ गेस्ट हैं हरियाणा के गवर्नर जी श्री दत्तात्रेय जी उन्होंने कवर कर दिया है। और आई जस्ट wanted to tell to sir that most of the topic like which I wanted to speak, sir has spoken. And it's always, everything begins from the home itself. If we teach from the beginning to our children how to respect, how to behave, and how not to lose the confidence, if we support them, anything happens, I'm there behind you, then for them, failure will not matter. They will not get discouraged. They will not be in depression, and they will not take any kind of thought to suicide. So I really like to thank Samuel Reddy sir and madam also. And it's not the happiness time, it's a hard time. I can understand, sir, what you have gone through, and I wish in our country no any family, no any parents should go through that. If we make our children our friend and we stand with them, they will be winner all the time. You ask to any successful person how they have come up. From one success if they had thousands of failure in their life. Then only they could win, and then only they had the success. So when they are going through something, if their friends, they stand with them, their family stands with them, they will get the courage to come up and they will not lose any hope. Almost every day, I get at least 2 to 3 calls that my husband is behaving with me like this, my mother-in-law is behaving with me like this, my parents are behaving with me like this, what shall I do? I'm just going to suicide. But I call them personally to my office, and they come, they sit with me. Hours and hours, days and days I spend with them, and I counsel them. This is not the end. Everything will happen good in your life. And most of the time I have seen with the parents, what they could not achieve, they could not become, they want their children to do that. It is not compulsory. The doctor's children will become doctor only, scientist's children will become the scientist only. My father, he is a retired director of DMRL. He is a gold medalist in engineering, and he was a state topper and all. He wanted me to become engineer. I had no interest. At least he said, you should do PhD in physics. I could not understand what is physics. So I'm a live model in front of you people. I had to convince my father I have great interest in fashion designing. And then somehow he allowed me to do the fashion designing. So earlier I was called as, Rajendra Prasad ki beti hai. Now he is called Alka ke daddy hai. So it should be like that, because he gave me the chance. He said, okay, what you want to become, you just think again and then you do it. And he kept motivating me. He stood beside me so I could do it.